Louisiana Senator Bill Cassidy, great to have you with us this morning. So, Mr. Chairman, bottom line, people at home just want to know one thing. How does your plan make their health care more affordable?
Charlotte, it makes it much more affordable. Right now, if a patient comes to me, I'm a doctor, and I order a test, prescribe a medicine, they say, oh my gosh, I'm in my deductible. I can't afford that. And what the Democrats are proposing is a $6,000 deductible before the insurance kicks in. What we are proposing, no, wait a second. You're a family, a 50-year-old couple with two kids, 18 and 19. You can get $5,000 into an account, a pocketbook, if you will, to pay the out-of-pocket on your insurance. You do that, and all of a sudden, I have chronic disease. I have first dollar coverage for those doctor visits. That's how it works. And with this account, by the way, you can pay for dental work, eyeglasses. You can pay for other things that traditional insurance doesn't. We meet the people where they are.
Yeah, Mr. Chairman, I'd like to get your reaction to President Trump Wednesday ripping Obamacare, which is not new, but he's continuing to argue that the funds should go directly to individuals rather than the insurers. Take a listen.
The Unaffordable Care Act, which is Obamacare, they call it now the unaffordable because it's unaffordable. Obamacare was a scam, but we're going to see. I mean, the Republicans, I can tell you, want the money to go to the people, and we're winning that battle. The Democrats are having a hard time with it because they're in the pocket of the insurance companies.
Yeah, Mr. Chairman, I mean, it seems to me that Democrats are doing what they always do, just throw money at a problem and try to hide it rather than actually deal with the root cause of the problem: rampant fraud, waste, abuse, and insurance companies taking 20% off the top just for profit.
Mark, you nailed it. You give the money to the insurance company, 20%, poof. By Obamacare law, they can take for profit and overhead. When we give the money to the patient, 100% goes to her. By the way, our bill has anti-fraud provisions. My gosh, you're putting up your hard-earned tax dollars. It should not go to fraudulent waste. Their plan does nothing for that. It continues status quo for 3 more years. Theirs is profit to the insurer. Ours is power to the patient. The president and I are give the power to the patient.
And this isn't much of a shock as well, but Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer, well, he has a few thoughts on this, as you can imagine, dismissing your proposal, calling it, quote, phony and dead on arrival. Will it pass today? How do you see this going today?
Yeah, Chuck also called our plan junk policies. These are Obamacare policies that we're using. Even he is calling Obamacare policies junk policy. Why? Because they're expensive, they got big deductibles. And yet what we're trying to do is to give people money in their pocket to pay that out of pocket to the insurance company. Will it pass? Will there be enough Democrats who say, wait a second, a $6,000 deductible doesn't work for the American people? Their plan puts money in their pocket to pay the out of pocket, allowing them to buy a cheaper plan, saving thousands relative to the plan Democrats want you to buy. And by the way, when you get the money, 100% of the money goes to what you choose. You don't have to get pre-authorization. You don't have to get permission. If enough Democrats support those concepts, we win. If they want an issue and not a solution to take to the campaign trail, maybe they vote no.
Yeah, and real quickly, Mr. Chairman, real Politico reporting some Republicans not on board. Do you worry in 30 seconds or less here that Republicans not coming together just hands a big issue to Democrats ahead of the midterms?
You know, best I can tell, almost all Republicans will be voting for this. We're a pretty independent group. Chuck's got those guys kind of locked up like lemmings. But even in our independent group, I think we got almost everybody.
Information. Truth. Is freedom. Is Newsmax. It's real news for real people.